You are paying for tools you do not need. Right now, 5 AI tools exist that are completely free, and they replace everything you are spending money on every single month. Pay attention because this will save you over $100 starting today. Fathom. You are paying $17 a month for Otter AI to transcribe your meetings. Cancel it. Fathom automatically joins every call, records everything, transcribes in real time, and delivers a full, intelligent summary. Completely free with unlimited recordings. $17. Gone. Adobe Express. $15 a month for Canva Pro ends today. Adobe Express gives you every single feature: templates, background remover, brand kits, AI image generation, all free, and the quality is on another level because this is Adobe. NotebookLM. This one will break your brain. Upload any document, any PDF, any contract, and this free Google tool becomes an instant expert on it. Ask it anything. It even turns your document into a full AI podcast automatically. Research services charge $50 a month for less than this. Nate, you are paying Zapier $20 a month to automate your workflows. Nate does everything Zapier does: connecting your apps, automating your tasks, running your business on autopilot, completely free with unlimited workflows. Perplexity AI. $20 a month for Google AI Premium. Deleted. Perplexity searches the entire internet in real time and gives you one direct, verified answer with sources. Every single time. 5 tools, $0. Over $100 saved every month. Which one shocked you most? Drop it in the comments. And if you want me to keep finding free AI tools that nobody is talking about, hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell, because I find these every single week.